Hi, Gbenga Phillips here. Welcome to Makarious Luxury Place here in Lekki. This is a luxurious estate development. I'll be showing you what is obtainable here and what type of work is ongoing here. You will see that several workers that are working in order to develop the estate to meet up with deadlines. This is a great offer for the high net worth individuals, those that want to live in luxury. This is barely 5-7 minutes to Eleko and maybe 20-25 minutes to proposed international airport, and also just facing the Lekki Expressway. And I'll be showing you what is obtainable, what is on ground. This is a spacious place that you can get the 300 and the 500 square meters plus sizes. And if you feel like you want to do more, you are also welcome. This is over 50 hectares. If you want to be part of this, numbers scrolling, you can go to our website www.gphomes.com.ng and the rest of our social media handles, which I'll be putting at the end of this video. I'm sure from the background you can hear a tractor that is working, people are walking here and there. I'm even close to the Makarious Luxury Place comes with the title of Certificate of Occupancy, which means guaranteed rest of mind. Once you buy, you don't need to run helter-skelter. You want to perfect your documents. Once you buy any of the plot sizes, it is all inclusive. Now we have payment plan of 0 to 6 months and 7 to 12 months. I'm sure you know the difference there. It means that 7 to 12 months, there will be increase in price if you are to choose that. Rest assured that there is payment plan. This property is facing the Lekki Expressway, where the road is being developed. The Lekki Expressway, this part of the road is being developed right now. So there is one side of the road that has been done, while the other part, where vehicles are currently passing, is still yet to be done. What it means for this luxurious estate is that development is ongoing. As this estate improves in development, and it means that once it's finished, the price of this property is going to skyrocket once again. As this is the best time to key into this property. 53 million and 53 million for 300 and 500 square meters. Usually I don't like to talk about the prices because from time to time it has been proven that real estate is not stagnant. It increases price from time to time. So the best time to buy is right now, so that you can also enjoy increase in price. Once the price increases, if you bought for 33 million or 3 million, it means that your property has appreciated. It depends on you to either leave it for short term or for long term. Either you want to build for residential purpose, or you want to build for commercial purpose, which means people can also rent this place and you can just sit back and relax and get. That is why they said landlord grow rich in their sleep. So if you want to make more money, you want to save more money also, this is a luxurious estate for you, where you can key into this estate and watch your investments, be it resale value or passive income value. How large and how big the estate is, and what is work that is ongoing currently. Just to round up, I'm going to show you is like in this estate. Dear friends, viewers, my YouTube family, subscribers, thank you once again for watching, and stay tuned as I show you the surroundings of Makarious Luxury Place in Lekki, just facing the Lekki Expressway.